Hi there, this is AJ, and this video is for those of you that want to find out the size of a header in your block builder template. First thing is it for a template that you're already using, or is it one that you're perhaps considering using in the gallery? For ones that you're already using, just make sure you're in Site Designer, not Block Builder, and then click in the header area. What we want to do is check either background or wrapper background, which will contain the header image that's in there currently. Most likely it will be in background, so click on these gear icons, and where it says download background image, click on that. That's going to open a new tab, and if you look and hover over the tab, you can see the size is displayed there, 668 pixels by 131 pixels tall. How easy is that? Now if it happens to be for a template that you're just considering using, let's switch to the gallery. Now we'll choose a template, let's say mental health will do, and we're going to select this design. Don't worry, this isn't going to put the template onto your website as long as we don't save it. So I've loaded the design, and now I can do exactly what I did before. I can click in the header area, click on the gear icon, and click on the download background image. We can see that this header is 1680 pixels wide by 500 pixels tall. So let's get rid of that. And we can go back to the gallery and check other templates if we want. As long as you didn't click the save button, then there is no problem. You can just close that window down once you're finished, and you will still have your original template in place. I hope that was helpful for you, and if you'd like to give me a like, that would be much appreciated. And if you want to be notified about more of these quick tip videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.